start with exercise 1.2. So let's begin. So now let us start with exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Represent these numbers on the number line. Students, I hope you all know how to draw the number line. Center we have 0. Right side we have all positive numbers. And left side we have all negative numbers. So the first rational number is 7 upon 4. We have to present this on the number line, and 7 upon 4 is the positive rational number. So it means that it will lie on the right side on the number line. So here we have 0. So denominator there is written 4. It means that we will divide this number line into 4 parts. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So when 4 came here, 4 upon 4 means 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 8 upon 4, if you divide it is 2. So here we have to present 7 upon 4. 7 upon 4 is 5 upon 4, 6 upon 4, 7 upon 4. So circle this 7 upon 4 and write here A. So here A represents 7 upon 4 on the number line. Next part, minus 5 upon 6. So this is a negative rational number. It will lie left side from the 0. So here you can see I have drawn 0. Left side there will be all negative rational numbers. So here 0 and denominator is 6. It means that you will divide that number in 6 parts. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here it came minus 6 upon 6, that is minus 1. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then minus 12 upon 6 is minus 2. We have to present minus 5 upon 6. So minus 5 upon 6 is here. You have to circle it, and here I have written B. So here point B represents minus 5 upon 6 on the number line. Next question. Represent minus 2 upon 11, minus 5 upon 11, minus 9 upon 11 on a number line. So here we have to divide the number line into 11 parts, as denominator is 11. All are negative rational numbers, so it will lie 0 left side. So here is 0. Left side there will be all negative rational numbers. First we have minus 2 upon 11. So minus 2 upon 11 is this. Let us circle and write here A. Then minus 3 upon 11, minus 4 upon 11, then minus 5 upon 11 is B. Then we have to circle minus 9 upon 11, that is C. And students, minus 11 upon 11 will be minus 1. Question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So students, there are many rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So I am writing few of them. 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2 are, first I have written here is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 6 and so on. Few you can take negative rational number, minus 1 upon 2, 0, 1, they are also smaller than 2. Question number 4, find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. So here we have to find out 10 rational numbers. So students, whenever you see denominators are different, first step is we have to find out the LCM and make denominators same. So let us find out the LCM of 5 and 2. So right here, LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. So now we have to multiply. Minus 2 upon 5, multiply denominator and numerator by 2, and 1 upon 2, multiply denominator and numerator by 5. So it is coming minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. Denominators are same, but students, between minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10, there are only 7 to 8 rational numbers. Let us see. It will be minus 3 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10, minus 1 upon 10, 0, 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10 and 4 upon 10. But we want here 10 rational numbers. So for that, again we will multiply numerator denominator by 2. So let us multiply minus 4 upon 10, multiply numerator denominator by 2, and 5 upon 10, multiply numerator denominator by 2. So here we got minus 8 upon 20 and 5 twos are 10 upon 20. So between minus 8 upon 20 and 10 upon 20, there are many rational numbers. So let us write only 10 rational numbers. So write minus 7 upon 20, minus 6 upon 20, minus 5 upon 20, minus 4 upon 20, minus 3 upon 20, minus 2 upon 20, minus 1 upon 20, 0, 1 upon 20, 2 upon 20. So these are the 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Question number 5. Find 5 rational numbers between first part 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So the first step will be we have to find out the LCM to make the denominator same. So let us find out the LCM. 2 upon 3. So 3 5s are 15, multiply numerator and denominator by 5. So it is coming 10 upon 15. Next we have 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5, multiply numerator and denominator by 3, 12 upon 15. So students, between 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15, only one rational number will lie, that is 11 upon 15. We have to find out 5 rational numbers. So let us take some big number. Let us multiply numerator denominator by 3. So we have 10 upon 15 multiply by 3. So we got 30 upon 45. Next we have 12 upon 15 multiply numerator and denominator by 3. So we got 36 upon 45. So now we can find out 5 rational numbers between 30 upon 45 and 36 upon 45. So let us write them. 31 upon 45, 32 upon 45, 33 upon 45, 34 upon 45 and 35 upon 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Second part, minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3. Again we have to find out the LCM to make the denominator same. So let us find out the LCM. Minus 3 upon 2. So we multiply minus 3 upon 2 by 3. 3 3s are 9, minus 9 upon 6. Next we have 5 upon 3. So 5 upon 3 multiply by 2. 5 2s are 10. 3 2s are 6. So between minus 9 upon 6 and 10 upon 6, we can find out 5 rational numbers. So let us write minus 8 upon 6, minus 7 upon 6, minus 6 upon 6, minus 5 upon 6, minus 4 upon 6. So there are many rational numbers between minus 9 upon 6 and 10 upon 6. So these are the few rational numbers which I have written. Third part, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. So again, third part, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. So step is same. We have to make the denominator same and find out the LCM. So the LCM of 2 and 4 will be 4. So let us write here 1 upon 4, it will remain same. And 1 upon 2, we will multiply numerator and denominator by 2. So it will be 2 upon 4. So we have denominator same. But 5 rational numbers we cannot find out. So for that we have to take some bigger number. So let us multiply numerator and denominator by 6. So multiply 1 upon 4 by 6. So we get 6 upon 24. Then we have 2 upon 4. Multiply numerator and denominator by 6. We got 12 upon 24. So between 6 upon 24 and 12 upon 24, we can find out 5 rational numbers. So let us write 5 rational numbers will be 7 upon 24, 8 upon 24, 9 upon 24, 10 upon 24, 11 upon 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 rational numbers between 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. So students, question number 7 will be a homework. You have to solve in the same way. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 3 upon 4. Students who knows the answer me in the comment box. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all understood Guli ma'am's class. So chapter number 1 exercise 1.2 we have completed. Practice all these questions at home. In the next class, we'll start with some extra questions. Stay connected, do like, share, subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.